Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said the mark represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them mark say that. Oh no.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with tree bad. Me say me they are. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this guy, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London. Mad.
Your love is like a burning fire deep down in my soul. Your love is like a burning fire way down, did you hear? In my soul. Oh, it moves me, suits me. I love the way it moves me. Your love is like a burning fire deep down in my soul. Blessed be his holy name. He's worthy to be praised. Child is worthy to be praised. Yeah. Tonight still it. He's a here. surely, surely, she's on the soul. It's gonna fade away. The rich is getting richer every day. Now the little and the poor has got, they want to take it. Fire upon them. Oh, no, no. Na, 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 na. Ooh. His mercy endureth for me. Your mercy endureth for you. Na, 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 na. Ladies, I just can't let you go. Oh, no, 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 baby. We were only strangers in the night, getting to know each other. The moon was found, strolling under the moonlight, hoping that we could get out of sight. And by the entertainer singing his song, I hold the feeling oh so strong. Never thought love would look me in the eyes. I lift my head, I wanna be surprised. But there were people all around who tried to take the love from me. Now, they don't seem to realize this love was meant to be. Only your love can set me free. I think I won the prize. From the very first time I looked in her eyes, I knew love would last forever. It's a blessing to be with someone like you. Now the ladies realize I am no longer solo, that you are my side. And this new love I will treasure. I've been faithful and true to the day I die. And when people criticize, we will hold on to love till we ever die. And if I had to do it over, it would have to be you, but all of the days can't let you go. Oh, no, 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 baby. I can't let you walk out of my life. Oh, no, 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 can't let you go. Oh, na, 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 na. Consider me, baby. Consider me. I know you try to be the big girl and keep the tears from your eyes. No, baby. But all's gonna be alright. Too late to let it hide. But little girl, you're gonna need a man. A man who will understand. Oh, darling, 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 darling. Please consider me. Ooh. Oh, no, all your friends have left you all alone. Yeah. Oh, and all the good times you had with them were gone. But little girl, you're gonna need a man. I could rest a man who won't understand. Oh, darling, 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 please consider me. Consider me, baby. Yeah, yeah. Na, 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 na. Ooh. Na, 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 na. Consider me, baby. Listen. I stopped sending flowers to your apartment, baby. You said you weren't around much anymore, baby. I stopped dropping by without an appointment, my little darling. 'Cause I heard that you coming through the door, yeah. Sometimes late at night you would call me before you close your eyes to sleep. In the morning, I made a vow that I would stop by sometimes, but baby, that's a promise I can't keep. 'Cause I love the way you sing. Don't expect me to be your friend. Sing again. Let's leave the story as it is. Consider me, baby. Yeah. Let's have a little more fun on this one. Let's have a little more fun. Listen. Let's get it on, baby. Let's get it on. Let's love, baby. Let's get it on. Sugar. Let's get it on. You're all sensitive people with so much to give. Understand me, sugar. And since we've got to give, and let's live. Cause I'm really not one of those guys just passing through. I need more time in your life, more time to life, fighting chance to make things right. No, remove all the heart, take its time. More time, more time, more time. Let's have some fun. I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy on this lovely night. I'll be down by the river. Hold on, man, much of your business. I'm having fun. Are you feeling it, I need more time. I need more time in life. Take it on the water. Take it on the water. Just don't forget. Remember tomorrow we're downtown, see? And I was told to tell you that if you show up with your ticket that you had here tonight, you can get half price for downtown. Is that good? Kings of kings to the people. They can't come up now? No! Give it to you. So take, don't take, don't take, don't take, don't take, don't take. You know I can go on all night, but I have to leave some for the brothers coming down. See? Yes. One more tune on the go. Listen. I'm going to leave this one for you and yours. Share it with your brothers and sisters. All the mothers in the house, I want to say Happy Mother's Day. Let me say this. One of these Mondays, we're gonna meet again. They won't be no illusion. One of these days, we will meet again. With people from the different nations. One of these Mondays, we're gonna meet again. In peace and love. go, but that's not the end of the show, you understand? I just want to leave you with these little tidbits on your mind. What kind of rhythm is it make you want to sing some of the good tunes like this? Sounds like this. Listen. Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Don't need a checkbook. Bring your broken heart. It's members only tonight. Yeah. Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. We're throwing a party for all of Pickering people and love. Members only. Make you want to sing songs like this. Listen. So sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. But I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me good to know I can. Yeah. You see, I've been stolen and borrowed. That's why I'm easy like Sunday morning. Why I'm easy like Sunday morning. We're really gonna make you wanna sing songs like this. Listen. That's the sound of a man working on the train. Yeah. That's the sound of a man working on the train. Yeah. That's the sound of a man working on the train. Yeah. That's the sound of a man working on the train. Now, they make you wanna sing. You bet, try back a boy. And that's how I will go. Straight to my lover's heart for me. Nobody but me. Cupid, please hear my cry. And let your arrow fly. Straight to my